What's up, everybody? I'm back with another two deals video, and today I wasn't even gonna film today because I figured I only got like three deals, and three deals turning out like 15 tabs. Sheesh. Let's hurry up. So starting off at Home Depot, we have this Milwaukee M12 Fuel BOGO. So you guys know the drill. The hammer drill, impact drivers, new gen. Obviously, new gen is now a year old. 4 amp hour battery with the 2 amp hour battery. This is not the high output batteries, but the XC batteries. Well, the 4 amp hour one is the XC. Then you have the CP 2 amp hour, and it comes with a few pretty decent gifts here. So you can get a free soldering iron. I've never used it, so it doesn't have 5 stars. It comes with this ratchet. I love the ratchet. The right angle drill. Okay, it's good until you've used something better, and there's a lot better ones out there. It's funny because I have the Makita, and the Metabo HPT, and I managed to get the worst of all of them. So if you were to get this, I would actually recommend the Ryobi because of its 2-speed transmission. It's just more torquey than this, or the Rigid, just any other TTI product. So, I wouldn't get that. Then you have the oscillating tool. I definitely wouldn't get that for $99. It's non-fuel, is the baby one. And then you have this floodlight, which I'm not totally fond of. Or you could just not get any of these. You could just use this ratchet to bring down the price of the kit, and it'll make the bundle $138.73 for the impact driver, the hammer drill, the whole kit and caboodle shebang. So people were going eating these up last year for $199, $179. It was people going crazy. $138, bruh. Moving on. Moving on over. Look, we're just gonna look at the price first, okay? This dewalt. Let's just pull it up in a new tab so you can see what it is. So we have a really nice dewalt deal here too. You have their impact driver, same deal. Hammer drill, impact driver, 2 4-hour batteries though, and their XRs, bag and a charger with a free gift. This one's $299. Obviously, this is a 20 volt. This is not their 12 volt because with the Milwaukee, we were talking 12 volt over here. More powerful tools. This is a smaller impact driver. This produces 1,825 inch-pounds of torque. They do have a newer one though that's a little faster, but I mean, it's marginally better, the new one, but this is not bad at all. A nice drill, all that. Once you add your free gift to the cart, comes out to be $208.88. And the free gift is a 5 amp hour XR battery. So there you have that. Moving on over, we do have a starter kit, Milwaukee 5 amp hour XE starter kit, and you can choose from some lights. Again, I'm in love with Milwaukee's, the color of their lights. Not in love with the brightness though. And I'm also not in love with the variable settings. They usually just come with 3 settings. Some of them come with 2 settings, and that's pretty much it. And I don't personally like any of these. I think I do prefer, if I had to choose, this one that's $149, or you could just get it, mark it down to get this battery and stuff for free. But I wouldn't personally do that. Anyway, I'm just leaving this here. I don't full on like this deal because there are better batteries. Usually during the holidays, there's a 6 amp hour high output battery starter kit. And this is just kind of old, really. And this battery doesn't perform nearly as good as the 6 amp hour. These lights I'm not totally fond of. This one is the best though because this part articulates, it pops up, rotates. You can clamp it, but they're still not as versatile as other lights on the market. So anyway, there's that. But if you were, a lot of you love these lights. If you did want the light, you can add this one to the cart. And let's see how much it is. It ends up being $85 for that. Not bad. Moving on, we have let's just pull this up. Basically, the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Surge impact driver. Lots of people like this. This is not for people in construction. This is for like HVAC technicians, electricians, stuff like people that don't need a whole bunch of power. This does have a decent amount of power, but what they prefer is smoothness and quietness. And this is actually also pretty fast at 3,000 RPM. I'm trying to find out what the inch pounds is. It's not even going to say because it's kind of low. But again, for HVAC techs, electricians, this is what they generally spring for. They love it. It's smooth, as long as it's not being taxed. Let's go back to the different things you get to choose from, though. So you get to choose from several things. The same thing with the starter kit. All right, the same exact tools. You could choose this ratchet, and it will make this bad boy $97.69 for this whole kit, or $81.31 for this ratchet. Now, I've said time and time, this is a $79 tool, so I feel like this is right at home. Honestly, just getting this whole kit and keeping a ratchet, you'd be happy. So you can hack it. You can keep it all, or, and that's the hack. This is the hack. For those of you who don't know, it's a lot of new people watching. So this is what the hack is. On these tools that where you can pick a free gift, it'll re-itemize everything. Now, usually, like at Lowe's, stuff with a free gift, it'll charge you full price for the starter kit and just zero out this other thing. So it'll show up as zero on your receipt. So if you want to return this, you'd have to return it all. Here with Home Depot, they do it differently. They just re-itemize everything to equal the to equal the 179. So it just divides them up, and it becomes 179, and you could either keep both or you can return one and just pay the new itemized price. So there you go. So you can keep both of these or just return one, whatever. I think keeping them both is a good deal. It's up to you. Moving on, then we have also the M18 Surge. Same deal. This is also on the BOGO. It comes with a free CP battery, which makes the battery $80.71, and the Milwaukee Surge 106.57. You do have to buy them all first, and then you return one. But what you would do is you would say, for instance, the item you want to keep, you will pick up at a store, and then the item you don't want to keep, you'll have it picked up at another store, and just never go pick it up. They'll refund you in 7 days. So there you go. Moving on over to the Facebook group. Oh, man, my man Joel. I say your name wrong every time. Joel or Joel. I'm just going to call you Jay. Anyway, Jay found a deal. I posted this in a video like last week, but this is $150 in store now. The Milwaukee Fuel M18 impact driver, new gen, and the M18 fuel oscillating tool with the auto mode that I don't really like. But it comes with 2 batteries, 2 CP batteries, $159. Some people saying they saw it for $150 on the dot, and there you go, right there. All this information. I'll leave the link to BrickSeek for this so you can check it out. You do know that Flex and Skill are both made by Shervin, so it seems to have been a little hiccup, and they printed Flex on this very obvious Skill tool. Hilarious. So I don't know what this is. This is a Flill, a Skex polisher kit. All right, anyway, moving on. Over here to Lowe's. Again, I just want to remind you that the Metabo HPT Buy More, Save More is still going on. And with Buy More, Save More items at Lowe's, they are hackable, so-called. So when you add them all to cart, you just need to add $400 worth of stuff. It'll mark it down, take $150 off immediately, and you have Rakuten, the $40, okay? So this is going to be ending soon, this Buy More, Save More, so just poke around here. So, and there's actually more than this, but you got to kind of hunt for extra stuff. So I'll leave a direct link to this page so you can just shop and take advantage of the Buy More, Save More and your Rakuten, all right? Moving on. Same deal for Bosch. Bosch also has quite a bit of Buy More, Save More. Well, nope, they seem to have gotten it right. I don't know why it's listening like that now. Let's do this. It's great, look. All right, and then just don't forget that the drywall screw gun, as well as the drywall cutout tool. Where is it? The drywall screw gun and the drywall cutout tool both come with batteries. Okay, see, free gift with purchase, and it's part of Buy More, Save More, and it's on sale. Okay, come with 2 4-5 batteries. So take advantage of that if you can. If it's being glitchy online, just keep removing it, taking it out of your cart and re-adding it. It's weird. Moving on over to eBay. We have Tools Direct is restocking. Okay, and it's a lot of stuff. Look at this. Look at this leaf blower. $35 with 30% off. I mean, this thing is like $20. Is it a kit? No, it's two only. I was about to say there's a battery sticking out of that thing. All right, look at this. Look at this. You got your Brad nailer, $60 with 30% off is $40. With, guess what? eBay has Rakuten. Man, look at this. Let me tell you something. If you bought this will mark down to be $40 on the dot. Then you got a bonus $40, making it $0. Plus, you're going to get 1% cash back on the $40 that you spend. So what is that? They're going to pay you 40 cents. They will give you 40 cents to have this Brad nailer. They're paying you to take it. Okay? This whole string trimmer kit, $90 with 30% off, making this what, $60. $60, and this is a 40 volt too, so it's good. I like their 40 volt out there equipment. 40 volt, and it come with a 4-amp battery. Come on, y'all. Come on. I don't know what you're doing. Here's another fogger for $49. This is a kit, $49 with 30% off. All right, and I know I need to make that video showing you guys how to clean your air ducts going into a new season, so that'll be coming out within the next 2 weeks. All right, this DeWalt jigsaw. Let me show you which one it is because it's going to be important. All of the DeWalt stuff they can't show pictures of, but it's pretty easy to see what it is. It's the big bad boy right here. It's the big bad boy. The DCS 334B. That's the tippy top of the line one. This is the tippy top of the line one. $119 with 30% off. Okay, this thing is normally $200. All right, so take advantage, y'all. I got a bunch of other things up. This DeWalt ratchet, $129 with 30% off. It's only 2 available right now though, so get them while you can. $190. It's normally $199. This is what you're getting. Then we have the DeWalt cutoff tool. You already know what it is. It's this right here. And I know, again, it says used. The way Tools Direct works, for those of you that are new, they buy returns from Home Depot. So a lot of times the stuff is new. Sometimes some people swapped out tools. Sometimes and said that they still work. And sometimes it's stuff that is just open boxes. But generally, the stuff is brand new. They can't be a hit or miss. I've ordered probably over 15 tools from them now. I've been a hit every single time. But you gotta be careful. When you first get your stuff inspected, do not be petty. Okay? Do not be petty. There's a way you can get a brand new tool. You just gotta really use your brain. Think outside the box. Okay? They're buying Home Depot returns. All right? If you have too many issues and say you have too many returns of Tools Direct, they will ban you. All right, moving on. We have this rigid subcompact impact wrench. I heard this thing is not that great, but for $69.99 with 30% off plus your Rakuten, I mean, come on. I mean, I'd probably try it. Again, the rigid cutoff tool, $59 is the last one. 30% off, $59. I'm about to wrap this up now. I think we got one more. And this last kit I wanted to talk about because I saw you guys talking about it in the Facebook group. Is it a deal? Okay, so let me tell you why I don't like it. And I don't like these big combo kits because they throw in a lot of boo-boo. So this flashlight is okay. That impact driver is not an XR. It's like low mid-range. Okay, it ain't low, but it's low mid. Because it's brushless, but it's like the lowest brushless model they have. This hammer drill is good. I think it might be an older one, but it's good. This Tough System box, it's the 1.0. No, these metal handles, they fall off very easily. And when you lose one, you can forget it. This thing barely closes, and then the other one pops off real easy. Ask me how I know. I don't like this. You have a 6.5-inch circular saw. That's good. That's appropriate for certain situations, right? This is one of their worst angle grinders. I like the trigger, but it's one of their worst angle grinders, though. This thing is routinely $99. And this is their best oscillating tool. You get a 4-amp-hour XR battery and 2 dinky 2-amp-hour batteries. Oh, and you do have the orbital sander, which is also good. So you see, it's a lot of crap mixed in. But $500, I don't like it. I don't like that deal. So I just wanted to say that to you guys. That's it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. Thank you for the 20K subscribers. I appreciate it. I always ask for you to subscribe at the end. That's because I be trying to get y'all all the content and everything, so I forget to ask. I just need to be more conscious about asking. Also, somebody left me a tip for the first time in a year because I stopped asking last August because people was complaining. But I do have a little tip line. I have my Cash App in the description. When you leave tips, through YouTube. YouTube take 30% of that. What we paying them for? They ain't doing nothing. I mean, they did facilitate me being able to get you this information, but shoot, I could have did that through Facebook. You know what I'm saying? So if you want to leave me a tip, drop me a Cash App. I appreciate you. Hopefully this was helpful. I'll see you guys next time.